This problem is white to play, and the goal is to kill black on the corner. Black doesn't really have a weakness in this cutting point, so the thinking here should be to reduce eye space. And white really has two choices, here or here. So if white plays here, then black can either play this or this, right? Two sides. If black plays this, then white will succeed, right? Now there's not enough eye space for black to live. This will be a bulky 5. If black tries this, then white should not start this ko, right? This will be a ko, and that's not good for white. What white can do is to play this instead. And this will be a fake neutral life, right? Because eventually white will get this Atari, and black has to connect here, and this will be a straight 3, which is a dead pattern here for black. So 1, 2, 3 will lead to white's success in this pattern. What if black plays this, right? Standing down here is always a good move in life and death for increasing eye space, right? Because it guarantees a real eye here at the 1-1 point. But in this pattern, what white needs to do is to play this large knight's move here on the first line. 1 and 3 are securely connected, right? Black cannot capture number 3. And that's why black will be dead, because no matter what black tries, this eye right here will be a fake eye, and black only has 1 real eye left after white plays number 3. So actually, white's number 1 works, right? Number 1 is the correct answer. What if white plays here? White is hoping that black would play this, and now this will be reduced. But I think for the purpose of this question, black can play this. If white plays here, then now black has enough eye space to live. You can work out the various possibilities on your own. If white captures like this, I think for the purpose of this problem, black can jump out like this and escape. So that is why number 1 is wrong. If there are more white reinforcements on the side that black cannot escape, then white's number 1 works as well. So either way, this problem once again is about reducing eye space. And that's always something that you should think about first when you see a life and death problem. Thank you for watching.